What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with a brand new hair video. Today's installs, we're working with BGMgirl. So they first sent me this HD cap that I already used. This brown one, a edge brush, these super cute lashes that, you know, a lot of companies don't sell these. They're really cute. And then of course a pamphlet just to tell you more about their brand, how to take care of your wigs, you know, the rundown, how they always put the little cards in there to help people that may not know how to take care of their wigs. And then I was so shocked. I thought this was just the bag that they normally put in there. It was a cute bonnet and it's pink. Y'all know I love pink, so this will be definitely worn. Thank you so much, BGMgirl. This is so cute. I've been wanting to work with y'all for so long, so I'm so excited about this collab. And then of course a bag for storage. So today's wig install, y'all. Y'all see my face? Let me tell y'all, this is a completely glueless install. When I tell you it's pre-cut, ready to go out the box, I mean that. Look how nice and full this wig is. This is a Kinky straight glueless wig. This is a closure wig, no shedding at all. Do you see it? This is freshly washed and blow dried, ready to be put on. This is the construction of the wig. This is also an adjustable strap, which I love. The lace is already like in this scallop cut to disguise, like, you know, the lace, so that, you know, you don't really see the line of demarcation or whatever, however that word is. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But putting on the wig now, I love the adjustable straps because I don't like the companies that put the wig strap in there that literally is not adjustable. Like, I cannot work with that. Everybody's head size is not the same, so I love that it's adjustable. When I flipped that wig over, y'all, it was literally crazy. Do y'all see the like, this has literally got to be like some sort of like magic. Like, what? Do y'all see that lace? Like, you can't even tell where it is. Like, oh my god, this wig is so full. And then it just is glueless. Like, you can just take it off and put it right back down. Do y'all see that? Like, I was literally shocked. I've never had a wig that was literally glueless and that I could just put on and put off. When I tell y'all, to this day, I love this wig. Like, I literally wear this on my, you know, running out, gonna have my hair done. This is that wig. Like, these wigs from BGMgirl are literally magic. Y'all see my face? Like, I'm literally, this is real lifetime, like, my real raw reaction, because I've never tried this wig on besides right now. I couldn't understand how it was literally like a magnet on my head. Like, I couldn't believe it. So this install is going to be so simple, y'all. I'm just going to straighten it because we literally don't have to spray nothing. We don't have to glue nothing. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to give y'all my review right now so y'all can just enjoy the rest of the video because it is just super simple and straightforward. We're going to go with my Babyliss, of course, and just press this bone straight. It is kinky curly, so it's not going to get bone straight like actual straight hair, but you can get a nice straighten. I love the way when you really take your time to press it out. It came out so nice. When I did this off my head and on the mannequin, it came out even straighter. So my review for this hair, though, BGMgirl, y'all did that. I'm sorry. I've never had a kinky straight wig in my life, and I can tell you now, I believe kinky straight is my new favorite texture. I have never tried it in my life, and I love it. It's so versatile. It feels so soft. I've never felt a softer wig in my life. It feels like plush. This wig is literally a must-have, ladies. If you're looking for something that is just resembles your natural hair, it's minimalistic to not have to really glue down. It's completely glueless. You can take it off at night, put it right back on tomorrow. Girl, get this wig. I'm telling you, BGMgirl has all the glueless wigs. They have so many different textures. This one is my personal favorite right now. I love it so much. It is so natural looking. I love it. I cannot believe how great this lace is. Like, I've never had a wig that was literally glueless. Like, when I say, like, out the box, like, literally, you have no experience with wigs. You can literally do this yourself. This is crazy. Go check out BGMgirl. I had no complaints. This is probably my favorite wig that I've had thus far this year. It is so soft. I love it, y'all. Check this wig out. I will have a link below for y'all to get the direct link to the BGMgirl website. Check them out. They are definitely Shalissa Marie approved. Y'all know I do not lie. I tell y'all the truth about my wigs because if it's not good, I'm going to tell you. If I don't like the frontal, if I don't like the bundles, whatever's going on, this wig was A1. When I tell you I wish y'all could feel this through the screen, this wig is so soft. I love it. So make sure y'all check out BGMgirl. They are amazing. Their hair quality is awesome as well. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys check them out. But like I said, y'all, this literally install is so straightforward. It's just me straightening the wig because I don't have to do anything. It's straight out the box. So this is so easy. I will be back, y'all, with another video. I have a couple more hair videos like back to back, so stay tuned for them. I have to get back into content, y'all. It's been a lot going on lately. I don't know. I guess I'm just not motivated. I don't know. I have to get back in the swing of filming and stuff like that. But it's all gonna work together. And bear with me, y'all. I'm definitely gonna get the content going. And get back consistent because I really want to get back on here and put out some new content because I feel like my channel's at a plateau and I want to grow. So we need to do that with new content. So stay tuned with me, y'all, and just stick with me. We're going to definitely get this content rolling. I need some ideas y'all could help me out that would really get me going to know what you guys want to watch because I really am out of ideas. I really don't know. So let me know, y'all. But with all that being said, all my social media is in the description box below. Follow me. It's where I'm at when I'm not here on YouTube. You guys can catch me on my hair page, Melted by Miss Marie, or my main page, I am Shalissa Marie on Instagram. TikTok, y'all can find me on there as well. I'm always on there. Follow me on TikTok, y'all, The Real Shalissa Marie. And all other social media is linked below. But of course, check out BGMgirl before you guys leave this video. Check them out. And with all that being said, I love you guys so much. This video was so easy, so simple. But with all that being said, I will catch y'all back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.